Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Both devices must be on the same Wi-Fi, and you need active Google and Amazon accounts. Open the Alexa app, then the Google Home app. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Once done, put the Echo into Bluetooth pairing mode, and in the Google Home app search for nearby devices. This starts the cross-platform link. Do this now so you avoid session timeouts and account confusion. Speed matters here. Next, you authorize and link services. In the Alexa app, enable the Google Assistant skill, then tap Link Account and sign into your Google account when prompted. Make sure to allow permissions, media, and contacts, because Alexa needs them to control cast devices and call lists. Once linked, confirm voice profiles so routines trigger correctly. If the app asks for device access or notifications, accept those. Otherwise, the assistant will be limited. This step completes the core identity and permission handoff. Finish by testing commands and confirming behavior. Say a combined command. Alexa, ask Google to play jazz on Spotify. If it works, create a routine to automate it. If it fails, restart both devices and your phone, then relink accounts. This often resolves token errors. Make sure your router does not use AP isolation and that firewall rules allow local device discovery. These network issues are the most common blocker. If problems persist, unlink and perform the link sequence again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.